Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple text animation like this for beginner in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. So let me add my text here. I'll type graphic, okay, then I'll press S to increase it. Okay, now I want to add this point into the middle, so I'll go to anchor point and control double click to put it into the middle. Also I want to add this text into the middle, so I'll go to align here and I'll press here and here, and yeah, here we go. If you don't see this align here, so we can go to window and check align. Okay, yeah, very good. Now I'll open text, animate, and I'll add scale. I'll change scale to 0 and I'll open range selector. Then I'll go to offset. Make sure that you are on the first frame. Go to offset and set 0 to minus 100. Keyframe, go 1 second, 1 second forward and 100. Okay, then I'll go to advanced shape, change it to ramp up, then ease higher, change it to 50, and ease low 100. And this is our animation. See. Hmm, hmm. Okay, then I'll go to motion blur to make it more smoother. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.